When you make a new website or update one, during development, your website is out of order. If this condition continues, not only visitors, but also the Google search engine will disadvantage your site. To avoid these disadvantages, let me introduce a plugins that are essential to updating your website. This plugin can make your site is under construction state. Go to the plugin menu and click the Add New button. Search for Under Construction. Install and activate the Under Construction plugin. When the installation is complete, go to the plugin settings. There is Under Construction mode in the main tab, change it to On. Save changes and check it on the front end. A pop-up message appears at the top left. It says, Under Construction mode is enabled but you are whitelisted, so you see the normal site. It shows the site normally to users registered on the whitelist. By default, administrator user registered in the whitelist. When we log out, it shows the website under construction state. Your website shows this screen for all logged on and logged in users, except registered on the whitelist. When you press the whitelisted user roles link, you will be taken to the Fourth Access tab. As I said, the current setting, only users with administrator role are whitelisted. You can check on the roles you want to add. If you check subscriber, all subscribers will be able to access website normally. We can add only some specific users. Let me add user 80. Save changes. After login as user 80, as you can see, the site looks normally. In the second Design tab, you can choose the design of Under Construction. Choose a design you like. It will be applied on your website. On the Content tab, we can edit the displaying text on Under Construction. Let me change the title to the site Under Construction. Change headline text. And edit the content. Save changes. When you click the Preview button next to the Save button, you can check the changes without logging out.